Right there off of Camp Wilson.
Look.
Camp Wilson what?
Right after Camp Wilson.
Siobhan, oh.
That's how it's going down. Thank you.
I know that's cool. And we're going to be back.
Yeah, we went back.
Oh, that's what last one. Oh, look at that one.
Oh, yeah. I remember last time I came back.
Hey family, happy Monday. How are y'all doing? Look, you can see how your girl feeling today. Bunted and all. Y'all getting the real, raw, real life. I mean, we're family, so, you know, I'm trying to get my rhythm on YouTube, and I don't want to be like fake. You know what I'm saying? I just want y'all to see what we do from day to day. You know, not everything, but when I get ready to pull up the camera, because I started to get dressed, and I'm like, but that's not what I'm doing. I'm not sitting around here cooking and getting dressed on a Monday. I'm very tired. Yeah, so I'm preparing for this weather that we're supposed to get. It's supposed to rain all day Wednesday, really cold, turn into sleet, and then snow on Thursday. So we have plenty of stuff, but I ordered some more stuff from Walmart. So I thought that I would turn on the camera to show you guys. Excuse how I'm looking, but I'm still, you know. But yeah, I didn't get much, but I was like, why not? Let's show the family. I just got some bread. We have some, but hey, if we get stuck in this Texas, it might not, it might. I mean, last year we got so much, nobody was prepared. So I got some hot dog buns, just another roll of paper towel, just because I already have some. I just always, every time I do like a little haul from Walmart or wherever, I always add a roll of paper towels, a can of air freshener, or whatever, to just pile my stock up. I got some garlic toast. I'm making spaghetti for tonight. I'm actually making it right now. I got some spaghetti sauce. I got 3 jars of that. And then I got some chips for the kids to add to their little stock. Cheese puffs. I got some wonton strips for a soup that I'm gonna make on Wednesday and Thursday. Noodles, because we are a noodle house, especially Ethan, me and Ethan. Some macaroni just to add to my stock. And then a few things for the soup that I'm gonna make. I'm gonna make chicken tortilla soup, which they didn't have my chicken. I gotta go get that tomorrow before the bad weather comes. So I got 2 cans of these diced tomatoes, green beans. This is not for the, this is just for another dinner. And then I got black beans, and I got kidney beans. And I got some chicken stock. I gotta go get some chicken because they didn't have any at Walmart. All the stores are like so low. I try to do mostly delivery, but I always have to end up going out and searching for a few items. So I need to get some enchilada sauce, some chicken breast, and a few more snacks for the kids. And then they like these cereal bars. They take them to school in the morning or eat them for a snack in the afternoon. So I got some of those. And then over here, I put some stuff in the freezer. I got corn, more corn, frozen corn, some popsicles, some shredded cheese, some lunch meat, ham and turkey, and some milk, and some 2 cartons of Minute Maid juice, and I have 2 cases of water over here, and some Kool-Aid pouches for Ethan. So I'm gonna go to Costco tomorrow and try to get some more tissue. We have plenty, but if you live in Texas, you know what happened last time. It may not happen. They're saying that it's not going to be that bad. But they said that last year, and we were snowed in, no lights. Oh, Jesus, no, please. We going to pray that Encore and everybody else got that. ERCOT and everybody else got that, excuse me, together. But I told Fred that we won't be like that this year. That's why every month for like the last couple of months, I've just been stacking up on stuff, stocking the pantry, canned goods, this stuff that we can eat without using appliances, like the little tuna boxes, chicken salad boxes, different snacks for the kids, stuff like that. Buying a lot of batteries. I keep candles, so yeah. So you can see over there, I am making my spaghetti. Y'all see all those magnets and stuff on the side of the refrigerator? I don't really like them on the front because I think it's too much. So I was like, I'm gonna just put them on the side because certain stuff, like I like magnets, and then certain little cards and stuff like Ethan's teacher's email, stuff like that I want to keep, so I keep it right there. And then y'all see my mama stock on top of the refrigerator. I've been looking for me a bar cart, but I haven't found one that I like. I'm gonna put it right here in this corner, so I'm gonna keep searching for that. But yeah, this was just a short little video. I just wanted to show y'all what I got. I'm gonna insert a picture of the spaghetti because it's almost done. The kids, when they get out of school, I don't know, comment below, how are y'all kids when they get out of school? When my kids get out of school, they are starving. They hungry, like, and I Taylor don't take her lunch, but so I can understand why she's hungry. But Ethan takes his lunch, and I feel it. You know what I'm saying? So I put, you know, a good amount in there to make sure he's not hungry, you know. And baby, when he comes through the door, he is starving. Usually when me and Fred go get him, we'll just stop and get him a snack. Or like me, the mommy, I'll you know, I'll bring something from the house and put it in the car. Because I'm not going to stop at the store and buy snacks, the same snacks that we have at home. But it's different with dads, you know how they go. So I'm going to finish the spaghetti, and then I will show you guys what dinner is looking like. This is just a small haul. I have another video coming out that I'll vlogged on Friday. I'm almost done editing it, of Taylor's little Taylor had a dance explosion at school, and I vlogged for that, so I'm gonna put that video out as well. So both of these will probably be coming out at the same time because this one's short, so it won't take me long to edit it. But anyways, I hope you guys are having a great Monday. So dinner is done, y'all. It is only 4:10, something like that. Your girl is done. I was not playing today. I'm tired. There goes the spaghetti, good and saucy. I made some corn because we like corn with our spaghetti, and some garlic bread. Top that spaghetti with some cheese like the kids like, and bam, we're done.
Last February. I know
How was school?
everyone's mind, and you got to understand that every event has its.
How was it?
I could have stayed home, but it was alright.
What you mean you could have stayed at home?
Two events, last February, and then.
Why? Got an absence?
Let's go to the graphic showing that the lowest temperature we had.
The dance teacher tried to kill me
February
today.
2021
Why?
was 1 degree below zero
Mama.
in the Dallas-Fort Worth area.
All them
For
tricks
this
I did
storm,
today in class.
I see the lowest temperature being about 15.
Come over here, my arm hurt.
And that is still cold enough that you'll want to drip the
It's starting to get darker, yeah. I can't even see.
And so on and so forth. But it is a far cry from what
You said all them tricks you did in class.
we had 2 different snow events in that
Girl.
February.
She made me do a fish
last year.
rollover,
That totaled up
a
to
jump
5
split.
inches. This is going to be an inch or 2, but
what's that
take
called?
heart,
A leaf.
take note. Some of this,
What is a fish
with
rollover?
this particular
You know the
storm
thing
will
we
be
did at ADC
freezing
when we
rain.
rolled backwards?
But
Oops, my finger.
This roll, you gotta roll backwards and end up in a split. And then it's another roll, then all this and all this. I'm too big for all this stuff.
No, you not. Your size ain't got nothing to do with it.
I could do it, but
Okay,
it
then.
just hurt.
You can do it. Exactly, because
I
you
hurt
moving.
my tailbone.
You moving stuff that you ain't moved before. You gotta practice.
Hurt my tailbone.
Did you get the thing off your toe?
Yeah. It was the thing on the end, and it was bothering me with my shoes on the little end.
Your pinky toe?
The little hang thingy.
Hangnail, girl.
Yeah, I had to cut it. And then I cut the rest of them.
Why you always cutting them? Then when you get them done, you gonna be complaining.
I'm gonna get them done no more.
So you ain't gonna never get your feet done again.
Till I get like 20.
And baby, you gonna have some Roscoe looking feet.
Oh, my mom's selling popcorn.
Oh God.
Yeah, I need to sell it.
Y'all hear that? Tell all your aunties and internet uncles is watching this thing.
Yeah, I'm selling popcorn. I gotta sell over 25 bags because they said.
Can they buy it online?
Yeah.
Okay.
They said the money going to prom and it's going to someday we have like a free day. We don't gotta do no work. They have water slides on it.
Oh yeah, I have 8th grade prom. I forgot about that.
Yeah, and we got a Valentine's Day dance. But I'm not gonna go.
Why?
Why? What's the point of me going?
What you mean? What's the point?
I went to homecoming. I'm gonna go to prom though.
Shoot, if you go to the way they was dressed at the other dance, you could wear some jeans and a red shirt.
Nah, prom, we gotta.
I'm talking about the Valentine's dance. They all had on boots and jeans and.
Nah, for prom, we gotta. Yeah.
Girl.
I need me a custom dress, custom hairstyle.
Girl,
custom
you
nails.
crazy. You getting a custom dress for your senior prom.
No, I'm saying like a nice dress.
Okay, yeah, a nice dress, but not a custom dress.
And not no ponytail. I'm gonna need my uncle to do my hair. I'll have some braids. Yeah. My nails done.
Or have some money.
I don't got a job. Yeah. Sorry.
Bless your heart.
No, bless your heart. That's more money you gotta spend on.
Girl.
I'm passing all my classes, guys.
Better be. Go straighten your room up. Ethan getting in trouble. What did you do to it, Taylor?
Nothing.
Sitting there flipping it back and forth. Scoot, that's just the cover. Scoot the cover back up on it.
Oh, I was gonna say what happened. What Ethan did?
What?
What Ethan did?
That room. I start to clean it. I'm not
Not
cleaning
with
it.
my brother.
Yeah, he gonna go in there and pick everything up off that floor, and then I'm gonna do the rest.
I'm not that bad. This morning I was rushing.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So that's what I told you. Keep it up, pick up after school. So on the weekend you don't have to do all that. So just go. I already cleaned your bathroom, disinfected the handles, clean the toilet, all that. So all you need to do is go and straighten your room up from
Y'all
this
not tired of
morning.
wearing these masks?
Yeah,
I might as well sleep in one.
you been healthy though, haven't you? Because your mama be on it.
I could just sleep in one mask
First of all, why you only got on one?
because I take it off when I get outside. And I just like this, throw it outside. You said I wear more than one.
I said, why do you only have on one?
Because I took it off when I got outside. It's hot outside.
Yeah, you better enjoy it, because, baby, the coat, that's what they talking about on the news.
Is it going to snow Thursday?
Yeah.
Then I'm not going to school.
You don't know. It depends on what they do. You know how these school districts are.
So.
But if it's ice outside, y'all ain't going. Y'all ain't sliding nowhere. On no bus, car, nowhere.
If it's like just regular snow, I still want to go to school.
It ain't going to be regular snow. That's the thing. If we got regular snow, that'll be good. But the snow and the ice is what messes it up.
So if we have snow and ice, but it's snow on top of the ice, I can still go to school.
The ice. If the ice is at the bottom, that's what makes the traveling dangerous.
Man, I'm trying to get my education.
Girl,
I need it.
you know how full of it you sound.
Hallelujah.
Get that Lysol and spray your backpack. And how's school? You cute. How was school?
You so
We learned about Chinese New Year, and I know a lot about Chinese New Year. I got every single question right.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
And
Tomorrow you gotta wear a red shirt
And I had
to celebrate Chinese New Year.
I have to go to Miss Pena, and we did a Chinese New Year different thing, and I did everything right.
Did y'all do a taste test?
What? Are you leaving your glasses? We did reading. We did
82, 87, 100, 187.
on reading.
Yeah.
On reading, I'm so glad because on Chinese, when I was doing Chinese, I only got a 99.
You got a 99?
I was so close for an A plus. I only got a B.
A 99 is an A plus.
I didn't lie. I got a B though.
Hey, look.
You did good.
You got a burger in 4 hours though. Wiping my mind, so.
Okay, go get the Lysol so I can spray your backpack. What?
What you making?
I can see you over here.
What are you doing? Are you on Snapchat?
No, I'm recording for my vlog. Go get the Lysol so I can spray your backpack. What y'all got in here? Ethan, what are you yelling for? Tay, come get your things. Ethan, why you put that open sauce in there?
I drunk it. What? It was soy sauce. Sweet that way.
Here, Tyler.
Hey, hold up. Mama,
What?
guess what I did?
What?
We ate ramen noodles. And
That's why I just said. Y'all, they said y'all was gonna do a taste test. Yeah.
we're going to do it again tomorrow.
I gotta go see what red shirt you gonna wear. Don't you got a red polo shirt?
Wait, that's orange. It's orange.
It's orange.
Well, you gotta wear a red shirt with your uniform pants.
No jeans. Or it's going to be snowing on Thursday.
We're not going to school.
Wait, now on Thursday? Oh, yeah, I'm going to go outside. Tell her, if you want to eat the snow, be careful because you remember that time when you got sick.
No, you don't need to eat no snow. Not with COVID.
No, I get a big thing
Go
with
throw
a
the food.
shovel, and
You ate your food in the car. You was that hungry? Uh-oh.
Mama,
Here.
you didn't even give me that. You didn't even give me a big pack of lunch.
Yes, I did, Ethan. You had a sandwich. You had a cereal bar. You had a
No, I didn't have no cereal bar.
Quit yelling. Okay, you had a sandwich. You had a fruit roll up. You had a yogurt. You had some Cheez-Its. You had a drink.
Wanted two chicken nuggets.
Spaghetti and some juice.
Boy.
Hey, hold up.
Taylor, you put my ice up. Put it up, girl.
Y'all, she eats too much ice. Put me in that beef. If y'all really love her, y'all tell her stop eating ice.
Girl, just put it up.
Look at all this.
And comment if you want me to not do homework right now.
No, you're gonna do your homework and you about to read your book, you and Taylor.
Mama, I'm finna get my book right now.
Okay.
I'm gonna read the book first.
No, you're gonna read after.
Why?
Get the Lysol so I can spray your backpack.
But I don't want to do the homework.
Ethan, what did
I
I
want to do the homework second.
What did I? Good morning. Say hey, Ethan. You ready for school?
Yeah.
Uh-oh, it's dark. He's wearing his red shirt today. They're celebrating the Chinese New Year. Yep. So they usually wear blue shirts, but today he's wearing, they asked him to wear red shirts. You know, everybody don't do it, but I'm that parent that does everything. So yeah, we are dropping him off. Taylor is already at her bus stop. She rides the bus. Her school is farther from the house, but Ethan, we live too close for him to ride the bus. His school is literally maybe 3 minutes away. But it's a busy intersection and he will never walk. He wouldn't walk if it wasn't busy, but yeah. So we are in the most loved school line, waiting to drop that little boy off. Pull your mask up over your nose. Please don't have to let me tell you that again, okay? Keep it over your nose so you can be safe. Use your hand sanitizer.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out.
Hey y'all, so I am back home. Ignore those clothes. I'm about to put those in the washer. I couldn't film in the grocery store because for one, there was too many people. Everybody trying to stock up because of this snowstorm that we're about to have. And then my phone's about to die. So yeah. So I'm back home. I'm gonna show y'all what I got from the store. Not too much, but enough just to add with the haul that I had yesterday. Okay, this is what I got. I got some of this quesadilla cheese. I'm gonna make some they right here. Some of these taco bowls, like a taco salad. We're gonna have that probably tomorrow. I know tonight is Taco Tuesday, but we still have a lot of spaghetti left, so that's what they're eating. I got some chicken breasts for different things. I think I'm gonna make some chicken tortilla soup, and then I might make some chicken noodle soup. I don't know, something that can stretch, and something that, because it's gonna be real cold. I got some croissants, bagels, some sliced cheese, some chips, shredded lettuce, and then some lettuce for my salad, some fresh jalapenos, some cilantro, the whatever they call this mix, but I call it the Trinity mix: onion, celery, and carrots for the soup. Some tropical punch. If y'all haven't tried this Walmart brand, that's good. It tastes better than Minute Maid to me. That Minute Maid, I don't know what it is about Minute Maid. The one in the carton, the bottle, and the 16-ounce bottle all taste different. Like how it's the same juice, but they taste different because they're in different containers. Anyways, and I got this tea because my sister Amanda Just Doris, if you're not subscribed to her channel, go and subscribe. She said that my niece said that this was good, so I got it to try it. Enchilada sauce for the tortilla soup, some butter, some Crunchy Munch for Fred, vanilla pudding for Fred, some crackers for the different soups, some cream cheese. I've been wanting cream cheese and bagels for some odd reason. And I got some lemonade and like some eggs back there in that bag. And then I got me some pretzels. I got a thing of Tide detergent, some razors for Taylor, just 2 more candles to add to my collection because I'm praying that the lights don't go off or nothing. But I said that if that happens again, I will not be like we were last time, which was ass out. This air freshener, it smells so good. I use it on like watermelon, but I seen it at Walmart. And then I just got some salt to put in the breezeway just in case it's slippery. Some toothpaste for the kids' bathroom. Ethan some more grease. Some more hand sanitizer because I always get it. Some paper plates. And these cute little Valentine coffee cups that Fred probably going to use for some hot chocolate and waste my stuff. And then I got these kids some, I guess these supposed to be like Takis. I got them from Dollar Tree. I was like, why not? They had so many food items, I couldn't believe it. Got Ethan some waffles because I forgot to get them at Walmart. Thank God they had them. And then I got him these little pizza snacks. And some French fries. Yeah, so that is it, guys. That is all. So I'm going to end this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And we will catch you on the next one. Bye, y'all. Okay, guys. So I was going to end the vlog. But when I walked in Walmart, I had to show y'all this. It was so many people. It was ridiculous. It was people everywhere. I checked out in cosmetics and the line was still long, as you can see. We waited in cosmetics in that line for about 30 minutes, I'd say. I was getting some stuff for my brother. I didn't mind. I mean, we didn't have anything else to do, but I had to pick the camera back up and show y'all how people are preparing for this storm. Because if you're from Texas or if you heard about it, last year the snowstorm took us down. So I guess people are just trying to be ahead of the game this year. Oh my God, good morning, y'all. It is snowing.
One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low.